Hi everyone, it's Tita Chinita, and today we're going to transform your office clothes into casual wear. So ayan na nga, 1.5 years na tayong pandemic, marami sa atin ang nag-work from home, and although gusto natin yun, kasi nga syempre gusto natin doon tayo sa safe, one of the things na medyo pinanghinayangan ko is yung perang ginamit ko para ipambili yung mga office clothes na hindi ko naman na ngayon magamit. Syempre investment nyo yun kasi 'di ba, you bought it to look presentable para magmukha kang professional, tapos ngayon nag-aamoy mothballs lang siya sa cabinet. So this video aims to provide ideas how else you can use these work clothes para masulit nyo naman yung binayad nyo dun sa mga damit na to. And I hope this also helps yung mga young professionals na kakastart pa lang ng mga careers nila para you know which clothes you need to prioritize para hindi naman sayang yung pera nyo. So sa list na to, meron tayong 5 key items that are ideally incorporated in your office wardrobe. So let's start with the classic white shirt. Ako pag may nakasalubong ako na either babae or lalaki na naka-white shirt, parang feeling ko agad ang fresh, ang ganda, ang gwapo. Parang automatically, just because of the shirt, just because of the outfit, parang feeling mo agad ang professional na niya. So if you're looking to build your office wear, make sure you start with the classic white shirt. You can never go wrong with a white shirt. I feel you can never have too many white shirts. Like kahit parang in a week, naka-white shirt ka lang everyday. Kasi nga yung in-exude mo naman na impression is professionalism. So okay lang. Go, invest in the white shirt. So this is how I would typically wear the white shirt in the office. And this is how I would wear it for casual. So I paired it with denim shorts and white sneakers. Our next key item is the blazer or the jacket. I always keep one in the office because 1, malamig yung aircon. 2, you never know kailan kayo papatawag ng boss mo, ng execs. So what if patawag ka ng presidente tapos for that day hindi ka masyadong nag-dress up. So 'di ba, you just put on the blazer and pwede mo na siyang init. So this one's a bit tricky to use for casual kasi you might be thinking mainit, masikip yung jacket. So this would work if you have oversized blazers and alam mo na yung pupuntahan mo for that day is air-conditioned naman. So this is how I would wear it in the office. And this is how I'd wear it for casual. So I paired it with a tank top para hindi nga masyadong mainit. And ripped jeans. So the key here is dapat rugged talaga yung look mo to contrast with the formality of your blazer. Our next key item is the blouse. So, yung tip na to para dun sa mga nagsa-start pa lang mag-build ng office wear nila. This is a good affordable option instead of the shirts. This should cost less kasi less yung fabric, mas madali siyang i-produce, less yung sewing cost. This should be more affordable. This is also more versatile in the sense na mas madali siyang laruin between formal wear and casual. So this is how I would wear this blouse to the office. And this is how I would wear it for casual. So I paired it with a denim mini skirt. It's up to you. Syempre not everyone is comfortable with mini skirts, but pair it with denim. Our next key item is the little black dress. I love LBDs. 1, kasi nakakapayat siya. 2, kasi it's very versatile. It can go from day to night. So kung wari meron akong event or dinner after work, I would wear this the whole day. Sa office, naka-blazer lang ako on top of it. And then, pag dinner na, tanggal blazer. So, value for money talaga kasi nama-maximize mo yung use ng damit. So, this is how I would wear it in the office. And this is how I would wear it for casual. I paired it with a denim jacket. Our last key item is the pencil skirt. So, if you want to be able to use your pencil skirts for casual, make sure yung fabric na gagamitin nyo is yung parang spandex type. So, ito, wala siyang zipper. So, it just fits your body. Pero, make sure then when you buy yung spandex type, pag yung sobrang nipis, make sure na quality yung fabric, makapal siya, mas may body. So, So, pag sinuot mo siya, hindi siya ganun ka-figure hugging. Kasi pag masyado siyang figure hugging, parang hindi na rin siya appropriate for the office. Don't buy pencil skirts in suiting fabric. Kung yung tela parang sa blazers, parang hindi siya madaling i-pair with casual. So, this is how I would wear it in the office. I typically pair it with a shirt and heels. But this is how I would wear it for casual. I'm now pairing it with a t-shirt, a plain white t-shirt, and white court sneakers. So those are our 5 key items, but I just want to share with you some tips on how else you can wear corporate clothes for casual. So one is accessories. So since formal na nga yung piece of clothing na incorporate natin dun sa casual outfit natin, you want to make sure to tone it down by using accessories. So if you have chunky earrings or chunky necklaces, or yung style talaga ng accessory nyo is casual, then you pair it with a formal piece of clothing. So, mas mape-pair down yung pagka-formal nung office clothes mo. The second tip is about footwear and bags. So, I don't know if you noticed, but for this video, lahat ng casual outfits, I just wore one pair of shoes to emphasize a point. So, that was the pair of white court sneakers that I use all the time. So, automatically, pag yun yung suot ko, nagiging casual talaga yung look ng outfit. The third tip is just to have fun. So, if you feel good in what you're wearing, even if it's not conventional, if you're happy with how you look, if you feel beautiful, then go for it. So, that's it for today's video. Sana may natutunan kayo dun sa mga tips na shinare ko. If you like this kind of content, please do subscribe and hit the like button. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Dear Ate Charo. Charot!